Republic has accessed further details of the questioning of Ananya Pandey. Top sources now telling your channel that the questioning will be based on the Aryan Khan Ananya Pandey chat. Sources say the chats had mention of drugs and procurement was also discussed. So this is information that is coming in as per NCB sources that they will be questioning Ananya Pandey for the second time on Aryan Ananya chats. That the chats that the NCB officials are looking at had drugs mentioned in them. Procurement was also in fact discussed during those chats, and Ananya was questioned on those very chats yesterday. Remember, she's been summoned for a second time and she was to appear before the agency officials close to 11 a.m. Remains to be seen when she will be reaching the NCB office there. But when the NCB officials asked her about these chats, confronted her about these chats, as per NCB sources, Ananya replied and said that she was joking when these discussions were taking place. Priyanka is joining us live from outside the NCB office. Priyanka, what more can you tell us? This is source-based information, of course, that we're picking up. But if this information were to be believed, drugs did find a mention during those chats and procurement was also discussed.
Well, yes, we have accessed source-based information where there were conversations between Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey as well. In fact, there was conversation about narcotics. Specifically, there was talk about ganja, procurement of ganja that Aryan Khan had been talking to Ananya Pandey about. And Ananya Pandey in that chat has allegedly said that she will arrange it. So procurement of narcotics is also being talked about. However, when NCB had questioned her about it, she had stated that she was kidding. In those chats is something that the NCB officials have also told us. Of course, this is completely source-based information with regards to the WhatsApp chats, and that's exactly what the NCB wants to also clarify with Ananya Pandey, because they are showing her those WhatsApp conversations. They are asking her what had actually gone on, and all of that is being talked about in those chats, and the NCB is of course asking her about those WhatsApp chats and asking her what exactly did she mean when they are talking about certain narcotics in this entire conversation. But there is conversation between Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey that NCB believes is suspicious, and that is why they are in fact questioning her. They are in fact taking her statement down so that they can investigate this entire nexus further as well. However, there has been some conversation that the NCB has found something that they want to question her about, right. That there was talks about narcotics. What exactly did they mean, and who exactly was procuring it, and for whom these narcotics were being procured is also something that the NCB will be asking her, has in fact asked her yesterday and today as well.
Absolutely, Priyanka, as you're pointing out, there is going to be a lot more that's revealed shortly. Thank you for joining us for the moment. Now